Here's the inspiration I used for my Father's Day baby bodysuit. After downloading a couple of footprint images in Cricut Design Space, I typed in the words "promoted to daddy." Then I went back into Cricut Design Space images, found a banner that I liked, and typed in the words "established 2019." Played around with the color and chose pink. Next, I went into one of my very favorite websites. It's called Word Market, and it shows all of the fonts that you have in your computer. So I typed in "promoted to" and eventually chose the font Superclarendon. Then I highlighted the words "promoted to" and went into curve text so I could get it just the right curvature to go over the word daddy. Uploading and duplicating a star was easy thanks to the Shapes option in Cricut Design Space. I use that option all the time, especially to slice with. Next, I went back into the Shapes option and pulled out a square, adjusted it to 4.5-inch square, which is the field that I'm going to use on the baby bodysuit. And then I started playing around with all my different design elements. I knew it would be easier to transfer the copy if it were all one image, so I hid the little footprints and the banner, and I selected all and attached all of the copy. I like to use as few mats as possible when I'm cutting, so I hid the little footprints and color synced the copy and the banner so I could get them both on one mat because those cutting settings were basically the same. I was using matte and spectrum, so I put them both on one mat. I put the footprints on a different mat since I was going to be using glitter vinyl, and I chose the cut setting light cardstock. Now that I had all my images cut out, it was time to weed. And of course, our new Tweety light makes weeding almost a pleasure. It's so easy to see the cut lines and to remove the vinyl. And now it's time to press. So I find my baby bodysuit centerline by folding it in half and gently pressing it. Since the copy goes on top of the banner, I put the banner down and played around with where the copy was going to go, and first I heat pressed the banner on, followed by the copy, and then the baby footprints. After cold peeling the glitter, I grabbed my parchment paper, gave the whole thing one more press just to make sure it was all ingrained, and there we go, our Father's Day baby bodysuit. Thanks, everyone. For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.